Hello and welcome back. Coming next in this video.
Whoa. Oh my god. There are also missing pins.
No, it's dead. This was the first sign. Locking or unlocking didn't work. After that, besides this Christmas tree view, when you turn the signal, it works only in the front of the car and the sides, but in the back, nothing, absolutely nothing. First, we will need to remove this cover under the steering wheel, and you will do that with a 8 socket. First bolt is here, just near the fuses. And one is in the right, exactly here. This one is the light control module. Here you will need a 10 socket for the light module, the LCM. This is it. I have another one. Let's see if it works and if it will need to be coded. No, still not working. Nothing. Yeah. Yeah. Great. So many faults. Yeah. So as you see, it has a lot of faults, and I'm thinking, where's the starting point? But I will begin from the trunk. Okay, you can stop now. It's enough. And I will begin from here.
These wires look a little burned. Let's see. Oh my god. There are also missing pins. Yeah, and the plug doesn't look better than the module. Here it's okay, but this plug, I think it's welded here. Let's use the force. Wow, yeah. I'm sure that, oh my god, it's melted here. Finally, sorry. Whoa. Oh my god. A lot of water was inside here.
This chip right here is fried. This one here. Now I will replace the blue plug and the black plug. And of course the comfort module.
Step by step, wire by wire, until you get the job done. No other way.
Of course, this is not a single option to fix this issue. There is another way, but that one is changing completely the harness, and it's quite expensive. Of course, I had some differences in the wire coloring, but I connect them by the pin numbers. It's unlocking. Holy, we have parking lights. Lamps. We have turn lights. And right.